英国政府宣布要发100多张伫北海乌石油甲天然气的探勘执照。英国首相苏纳克是表示讲，这目的是为了要确保能源的安全。也毋过有部分的非营利组织并无认同。
英国首相苏纳克到苏格兰的圣佛格斯视察当地炼油厂。英国政府也伫咧几天前宣布，将会伫咧北海批发100多张新的石油甲天然气探勘执照，来提升能源供应，确保能源的安全。苏纳克强调，就算是到2050年，英国依然是需要25%的石油甲天然气供应。
Far better that we get that from here at home, better for the economy, better for our energy security, better for jobs, and better for climate emissions rather than shipping it here from halfway around the country. So that's why we've got more North Sea oil and gas licenses being announced.
苏纳克讲，俄战争普京操控能源作为武器，并且阻碍经济成长，追求发展能源独立性。不过，政府加速2050年净零排放的目标是无改变。不过，英国非营利组织并无认同。认为北海的资源早晚会用了了。
The North Sea is a declining basin, and that means no matter what the government policy is on it, the North Sea is running out. It's also important to note that it's mostly oil, so we're in the middle of a gas crisis, so extracting more oil won't really help with our bills.
拉斯顿强调，政府付钱和石油加天然气公司伫北海钻探，然后再卖互出价上悬的人，这种做法是正矛盾。而且伫最近全球暖化、加重极端气候，这个时阵批发探勘执照，恐惊互英国的国际地位受到质疑。
We've hosted COP26 and we're always calling on other countries to do more on climate change. So it could look quite hypocritical if we're calling on others to reduce their oil and gas use and reduce their demand, but at the same time we're approving more.
另外，英国国内执政的保守党加在野的工党之间，对这件代志意见正无同。国加上民调显示，工党有可能赢到明年的大选，所以和这项政策也出现变数。公司新闻张伟林编写。